Loyalists of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga have reaffirmed their support for the military figure's alleged goal of eradicating corruption, drawing comparisons to anti-corruption measures taken by other African military leaders. Sanapinda mashoko atona kuti vakomana vanosapota generari vari kuti aiwa tisu tichava mupedza chose panhau yecorruption munyika yeZimbabwe. Ndokuti subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tichipinda panapa muzimba yonyora vachiti the Varakash group, who are aligned with the Chiwenga's faction in Zimbabwe's ruling ZANU-PF party, have been vocal about their mission to support him as the next leader of the country, especially as current President Emmerson Mnangagwa prepares to conclude his second and final term. On Thursday, Varakash, who managed the Operation Isoliga's Facebook page, posted a comment that underscored their commitment to Chiwenga's leadership and his focus on dismantling corruption networks within Zimbabwe. The statement referred to recent developments in Mali, where General Assimi Goita's leadership has been marked by drastic anti-corruption measures. Mali under General Assimi Goita's reign officially becomes the first African nation to be debt-free. The post reads, pointing to the measures taken by Goita's transitional government, which has been commended for addressing the entrenchment corruption in the country. Varakash Group draws parallel between Goita's bold stance against corruption and the political and the potential for General Chiwenga to enact similar reforms in Zimbabwe. Domashokana mudata kwa Varakash varalaira na VP Chiwenga vachiti aiwa zvakaitikawo kumali toda kuti zviitike nyika yeZimbabwe aiwa under the rule yaVP Chiwenga vari the upcoming president to succeed mutungamiri wenyika. Tudze mafungiro enyu mutikudei pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Vapinda comment section medu, subscribe or like, and turn the bell icon.